Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Coral Sports betting account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Coral Sports betting account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Coral Sports betting sign up and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. You will end up on the official page of Coral Sports betting account. Click on Join option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your country of residence, your currency, email address and your user ID. Create a password for your Coral Sports betting account and tap on Continue. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Now choose your sender, enter your first and last name with your date of birth and tap on Continue. Enter your number and postcode, scroll down and tap on Create My Account option. This is how you can sign up for your Coral Sports betting account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.